There is a saying that there is a woman at the beginning of all great things. Nowhere is this more powerfully embodied than in the ritual Sai, the running between Safa and Marwa. I find this ritual one of the most moving rituals. It also answers the misconception that in Islam, women are considered inferior to men. Just think, millions of pilgrims, both men and women, retrace the steps of a woman. It is incredible. They're not retracing the steps of a king or a prophet, but that of a woman, a mother, who ran between the two hills in search of water for her child. And God honored her struggle by making it as a permanent part of Hajj. Now, does that sound like a religion that sidelines a woman? Not at all. In fact, it is a direct statement from God that in His sight, true greatness lies in sincerity, in sacrifice, and in faith, not in gender or status. Quran in chapter 3 reminds us that you are members one of another. When Prophet Muhammad, may peace be upon him, was standing at the plain of Arafat giving his farewell sermon to thousands of pilgrims, he said, "Fear God in respect of women." Yet on another occasion, he said, "Both men and women are two equal half of a single unit." Another of his saying that the best of you are those who are best to their women. So if you still see inequality between men and women in a society, ask yourself, is it the Islam that is unequal, or is it the misunderstanding of it? Islam does not consider women to be inferior. Inferior is the understanding of those Muslim men who do not grasp the role of a woman. From Hazrat Hajra to Hazrat Maryam, Hazrat Khadija, Hazrat Aisha, Hazrat Fatima, or Hazrat Asiya has been mentioned in the Quran. Islam holds up a woman not as secondary but central to the spiritual and moral fabric of the faith. So next time when you hear someone saying Islam doesn't value a woman, you simply say, we walk in the footsteps of a woman every year at Hajj. That is how highly Islam honors or values a woman.